Danny, I'm not sure if it's been a quiet summer for you, but it's all kicked off in the last week for you, isn't it?
Yeah, it's gone from being quiet to a bit mad the last week, but no, it's been good. Obviously, to come back home, sign at Cardiff is a special moment for me, and then it's great to get called in as well with the game coming up next week. So it's been a good week.
What was it like? I mean, you played so well in Amsterdam for Wales against Holland, and then people were very surprised that you hadn't got a club at the start of the season. I mean, were you close to going anywhere else, or was it just very quiet?
No, there's one or two bits of interest, but nothing really concrete. And I had kind of in my mind a bit where maybe I wanted to go, and it was frustrating because, as you say, in the summer I felt I had a decent game with the Wales team, and knowing that the qualifiers were coming up, I wanted to get my future sorted out club-wise. So I know that if you're not playing, or if you don't have a team, it's very hard for you to get called up, in the squad, no matter what you did previously. So yeah, it was frustrating. I would have liked to have got it sorted out a lot quicker than it has, and it's probably not helped with me being in the original squad, and I totally understand that with the managers coming from there. So but it's nice just to get it sorted out now, and it's great to be here eventually. So hopefully now I can kick on, hopefully play some games, and contribute with the Wales team as well.
So many campaigns over the last few years. What's the feeling like? Do you feel optimistic? There seems to be a good mood around the squad going into this campaign.
Yeah, the mood's great. I was just saying to the gaffer when I arrived, I feel really comfortable when I come here, and I think that's because of the atmosphere that's been created. The lads all get on really well. There's a lot of lads now, all similar ages, and we all get on really well. The team spirit's really good. You can't really fault that. It's just now using that on the pitch and taking that forward with the quality we have as well, and gaining results. So I know personally myself, when I always meet up, I always feel comfortable around everyone, and it's a really good atmosphere, and lads got on really well, and there's a good mix. You need some experience in there, but there's a lot of young lads there now who you call them young, but they're playing at the top level and have played a lot of games already for their age. So I think the time is now. Really, I think there's no real excuses. The facilities we've got now, everything's top notch. There's no stone left unturned with the medical team. Everything's in order. So we've got the quality in the squad now, and it's just about us taking that onto the pitch and getting the results, because I think we've put in some good performances over the last few months, but not always getting the results. So it's about turning the performances into results now, and if we can get off to a good start in this group, then I think you'll see the confidence will just grow and grow, and we can definitely do something, I think.